talk about all that and maybe the government shutdown as well, because I'm just going to give it to Rick Santelli. And Rick, you do you. Talk about whatever you think is important right now.
Well, I think the Oracle issue is important, second largest investment grade deal of the year. And what I find interesting there is we could find a lot of reasons what they're going to tell us regarding why they're doing this versus equity debt. But here's the way I look at it. Interest rates, in my opinion, are going up. I was out there, a week and a half ago for the big 30th anniversary of Squawk Box. And all I could say is, if you're looking for an under 4% trade, do not hold your breath unless you like the color blue, because we're not going to spend a lot of time under 4% in a 10-year. And I think that many people at Oracle probably think the same way. So no, whatever reasons they put out there, the timing is key. So the Fed lowers rates on the 17th, and basically all maturities are higher in yields. Matter of fact, that 2-year right now was hovering what? Right around 398-ish, under 4% the day all that happened with regard to, or the 10-year, with regard to when the timing was. Look at how much higher in yield it is. So I think that Oracle putting this forth, listen, if you were, Sully, going to issue debt, you'd want to try to get the lowest interest rate possible, okay? Which means your assumption now to do it, a week plus after the Fed lowered rates, is because interest rates, in your opinion, probably aren't going to be any more conducive to throwing supply out in the debt market than they are now. And I totally agree with that. Very quickly, durable good orders have been very, very volatile. If you look at that 2-year chart I had in, the right side looks like somebody with a bad heartbeat there. See, this is what's going on with a lot of data after Liberation Day. But ultimately, if you start to average and mean revert these wild moves, they're still solid numbers. 218,000 on initial claims was the smallest number since mid-July. These are impressive stats. And I know that there's other news that isn't as impressive, but ultimately, Brian, I think rates are going higher, and I think companies would be very smart to throw any issuance they're pondering out into the marketplace ASAP.